In the ever-evolving world of compact camera technology, few names stand out as much as DJI. Known for its groundbreaking advancements in drone and handheld camera technology, the company has consistently set the standard for innovation. Today, we delve into one of the most highly anticipated releases in portable videography, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. With its cutting-edge features and promise to redefine storytelling, this compact marvel is shaping to be a game-changer in 2025. Whether you are a seasoned content creator, an aspiring filmmaker, or a travel enthusiast looking to capture stunning visuals on the go, the Osmo Pocket 4 could be the ultimate tool to elevate your work. Let's explore the anticipated upgrades, key features, and why this device might be the best companion for creators in 2025. A legacy of excellence. The DJI Osmo Pocket Series. The DJI Osmo Pocket Series has established itself as the pinnacle of compact videography. Designed specifically for content creators, vloggers, and travelers, these devices seamlessly integrate portability, high-performance stabilization, and user-friendly features. From the first-generation Osmo Pocket to the latest iteration, DJI has consistently pushed the boundaries of what a compact camera can achieve. The impact of the Osmo Pocket 3. Looking back at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, released in 2023, it marked a major leap forward in the series. Some of its most notable upgrades included a 1-inch sensor that significantly enhanced low-light performance, making it a favorite among nighttime videographers and photographers. A 2-inch rotatable touchscreen, a game-changing addition that made it easier than ever to shoot vertical content for social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Superior stability and image quality, thanks to an improved 3-axis gimbal and advanced processing capabilities. These features set the bar high for its successor, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to raise the standard even further. Anticipated features. What to expect from the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Building upon the robust foundation of its predecessors, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to introduce several groundbreaking enhancements. Below, we explore the most anticipated features that could redefine the compact camera market in 2025. Advanced autofocus and tracking capabilities. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is the inclusion of phase detection autofocus combined with AI-powered subject tracking. This would allow users to capture moving subjects with unparalleled precision, making it ideal for action shots and sports videography. Enjoy enhanced AI-driven tracking, enabling seamless focus on subjects without manual adjustments. Create smooth, dynamic shots even in fast-paced environments, elevating both professional and casual filmmaking. Improved weather resistance for outdoor filmmakers. A more robust weather-resistant design is another highly anticipated feature. The Osmo Pocket 4 could incorporate an IP-rated sealing system to protect against water, dust, and extreme weather conditions. This upgrade would make it an excellent tool for capturing footage in diverse environments, from deserts to rain-soaked cityscapes. Superior image quality with an upgraded sensor. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a higher resolution sensor, possibly in the range of 1.5 inches or larger. Combined with enhanced image processing algorithms, this upgrade could offer sharper details and richer colors in all lighting conditions, better low-light performance, reducing noise, and improving clarity in night shots. Enhanced HDR capabilities, producing more dynamic and true-to-life visuals. A brighter, more functional display. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to sport a higher resolution, brighter touchscreen with anti-glare properties. This will improve usability in outdoor settings, allowing creators to easily frame shots and review footage. Additionally, DJI may introduce an auxiliary display or flip-out screen, providing even more flexibility for vloggers and self-shooting scenarios. Expanded accessory support for greater versatility. Content creators thrive on flexibility, and DJI could further enhance the Osmo Pocket 4 by expanding its accessory ecosystem. Potential additions may include extended battery packs for prolonged shooting sessions, waterproof housing for underwater videography, telephoto and wide-angle lens adapters to broaden creative possibilities, programmable waypoints and gesture recognition, enabling more dynamic hands-free operation, rugged build for durability. Durability is a key concern for adventurers and outdoor filmmakers. The Osmo Pocket 4 could introduce a more impact-resistant chassis, ensuring it withstands accidental drops and rough conditions. This upgrade would make it an indispensable tool for travel bloggers, extreme sports enthusiasts, and filmmakers working in challenging environments. Creative flexibility through innovation. DJI is known for pushing creative boundaries, and the Osmo Pocket 4 could introduce unique functionalities such as a touchscreen that doubles as a fill light, improving low-light shooting conditions. Remote control integration allows users to operate the camera from a distance and capture shots from unique angles. Cinematic modes powered by AI automatically adjust frame rates, exposure, and stabilization for professional-grade video production, revolutionizing content creation. The impact of the Osmo Pocket 4. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just about incremental upgrades. It's about empowering creators with tools that inspire innovation. With its blend of portability, powerful features, and durability, this compact camera could redefine what is possible in handheld videography. For vloggers, the improved tracking, autofocus, and display features make it easier than ever to shoot engaging, high-quality content. For adventure filmmakers, the enhanced weather resistance and rugged build mean they can document their journeys without fear of damaging their gear. For social media creators, vertical shooting optimizations and AI-enhanced tracking will streamline content production. Projected release date and pricing. Based on industry speculation, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch between late 2025 and early 2026. While official pricing details remain speculative, it is likely to position itself as a premium option within the compact camera segment. Given the rumored advanced features, the investment could be well worth it for creators seeking a versatile high-performance tool. Conclusion. A compact powerhouse for 2025. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 holds immense promise for content creators of all kinds. Whether you are an aspiring filmmaker, an adventure enthusiast, or a seasoned vlogger, this compact powerhouse could revolutionize your creative process. From seamless autofocus to superior durability, it appears to be tailor-made for creators who demand excellence. Thank you for tuning in to Techno Trend Zone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech and innovation. Until next time, keep creating and exploring the limitless possibilities of the future.